So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a pictogram on the Visme application. So once you're into the Visme app, go to the bottom right, press on the plus icon with the blue circle, then right in the middle where it says charts/graphs, press on that. Now once you're on this screen, just slide this bar here sort of from the upper middle area all the way to the right until you come across the pictogram icon. As for me right here, it's right here, right in between maps and histograms. Press on pictograms. Now what you can either do is select on a blank template if you wish, or what else you can do is actually slide down and view pre-existing templates in the Visme application. So if you like one of these, you can go ahead and just select one. We'll just go ahead and press this one right here for the budget allocation. So once that is done loading, which hopefully is fairly soon, it's going to be a pretty straightforward process, but that's how you guys can create a pictogram on Visme. You can now edit this however you may wish, add different fonts, add your own information, whatever the case may be. Feel free to your pictogram, but that's, as I mentioned before, pretty straightforward process on how to create a pictogram on the Visme application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.